So now let's see how we can work around with external hyperlinks inside of Google Sheets. So in order to work around with external hyperlinks, what you can do is you can go around into a cell and then type in a web address directly. Let's say, for example, if I were to type in www.google.com right here, just like this, and press space, you can see that it automatically turns into a link. So if I were to actually hover over, you can see that there's the link right here, and you can click on it and then it'll open up the web page just like this. Let me just close around over here and then let me just go back onto full screen view right here. So another way to create a link is to actually type in a text right here and then add in a link to it. So you can go around right here, select this out. You can go around and add in a link to this one. So you don't have any option right here, but you can go around into the insert menu when the field is selected, and then you can click on insert link. So once you do that, you can see that you can type in or paste the link right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in, let's say, for example, www.google.com, just like this. And then if I were to press apply, and then there you go. There is the link right here. If I were to go around, there you go. There's the link, and I can click on it and it goes on to the other page. And that is how you can insert external hyperlinks inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.